In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add a logo watermark to your video using CapCut. This simple process can help brand your videos, giving them a professional touch that marks them as your own. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by importing your logo image into CapCut. Make sure this logo is in a PNG format with a transparent background. Using a transparent background ensures that only the logo itself will appear on your video, without any unwanted blocky or opaque areas around it that can distract from your content. This kind of detail is key to maintaining a polished look. Once you've got your logo ready to go, you'll need to drag it onto a new track just above your video. Think of these tracks as layers. It's important to place the logo on a track above your video, because this tells CapCut to display the logo on top of everything else. If it's below the main video track, it won't show up in the final product, so ensure it sits neatly right there above. After positioning the logo on the new track, it's time to resize and decide on the absolute best position for it. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Resize the logo as needed. It shouldn't dominate your visual landscape but complement it. Common placements include snug in a corner or centrally located, depending on your video's composition. The goal here is subtle reinforcement of your brand, not overshadowing your actual content. Finally, consider adjusting the opacity of your logo. Lowering the opacity makes the logo more subtle, letting viewers' main focus stay on the content while still keeping your branding visible. This gentle touch of branding is often more effective because it doesn't pull too much attention away from what you want your audience to focus on. Simply head over to the opacity settings and adjust the slider. You can play around with it until you find the opacity level that suits your video best. And there you have it, a stylish and professional-looking watermark that's perfect for showcasing your brand without overpowering your video. By following these steps, you're on your way to producing content that looks not just more polished, but also unmistakably yours. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in elevating your video editing skills in CapCut. Be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your creative projects.